everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I wanted to give you guys a purple and gold makeup look. I wanted to do a makeup look that matched this gold and purple headband, or yellow and purple headband that my girlfriend gave me. She sells products online, and I did purchase these from her with my own coins, but I wanted to do some cross promo with her and also promote her head wraps. So this is a wrap. This is just the way I wrapped it. You can wrap it several different ways. I'm probably going to play around with it in the intro or the outro so you guys can see different ways to style this. But I wanted to just put her on and do a makeup look to complement this head wrap. Hope I did a good job. If you guys like this, then comment down below. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. Now let's get straight to the makeup look. So first things first, I'm going in with my primer, and I'm using the African shea butter that I ordered off of Amazon. And I'm just using that to prime my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. And the reason why I'm going in with this white shade is because